Where's your balloon? There it is. There's your balloon. You got it. Oh, you hit yourself in the head. Where's your balloon? He's staring at you. Where's your balloon?
Yeah, you like your balloon. That's cool, buddy. I'll back up so you can let it go. Have fun with it.
You got it. You got yourself Stampicky.
Jonathan's first balloon. How fun.